Oh, hello there. Did you know that films can have multiple directors? There are actually many notable directing duos out there, and I'm going to give you a list of major films and film trilogies that had multiple directors, starting with the Matrix Trilogy from 1999 to 2003, but there was a newer one that just recently came out, directed by Lana and Lilly Wachowski, the Wachowskis. There is No Country for Old Men, which came out in 2007, which was directed by Joel and Ethan Coen. The Coen brothers are notorious and have done some fantastic movies. They're known for their significant dark humor and intense storytelling. Let's talk about Disney / Marvel / Avengers. So Avengers Endgame 2019 was directed by Anthony and Joe Russo. They also directed the Avengers Infinity War and several other Marvel films and are in charge of, I believe, the next Avengers movie and the Doctor Doom franchise. Good Will Hunting was directed primarily by Gus Van Sant, but it was also co-directed on several scenes by Matt Damon and Ben Affleck, though they are not officially credited. They played a significant role in shaping the film and went on to win Oscars. Sin City 2005 was directed by Robert Rodriguez, Frank Miller, and Quentin Tarantino, who was a guest director. Rodriguez co-directed with Frank Miller, the creator of the graphic novel, and Tarantino directed one scene. The Lego Movie from 2014 was directed by Phil Lord and Christopher Miller. It's a wildly successful animated film mixed with humor and adventure and innovation, and both directors collaborated throughout. So yes, co-directing can be successful. It is also pretty common